Row, row your boat, drift along the stream. Ripples dance and water hums, shimmering like a dream. Row with smiles and gentle hands, easy, calm and clean. Row, row, paddle on, past the reeds so tall. Fish jump up to say hello, frogs begin to call. Wave to ducks that glide on by, friends to one and all. Row, row, sing a song, let your laughter flow. Sharing tales and happy tunes, soft and sweet and slow. If the boat begins to rock, balance as you go. Row, row, gently now, sky turns pink and blue. Sun says bye, the moon peeks out, stars come shining through.